Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi ekugcineni nje lolu suku luyafika, sikade silungiselela, sikade silindile. Bantwana bami abancane othumbu befamily ngibafisela konke uNkulunkulu angathi angabanzela konke lokho inhliziyo zabo ezikufisayo. Kodwa kuko konke ngifisa ukuthi bamazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyisiqalo, uyisiphetho. Nanokwazi ukuthi ukwazi uNkulunkulu kuqala kwakuhlakanipha konke. Ngoba bangahlakanipha benze zonke izinto kodwa mangabe bengazange bamazi yena konke obayobe bekwenza kuyize. Futhi bangagcinike lapho uNkulunkulu ezwini lakhe usithembisile wathi asifune okombuso wezulu kuqala bese kuthi ke konke okunye kuyokwenezelelwa kithi. Nabo babeqale bafuna uNkulunkulu ngcebo noma yini ngisho ama-position aphezulu bayowathola mabeqale bafuna lokho okufunwa uNkulunkulu kuqala. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyababongela abantwana bami, ngiyasibongela futhi nesisu sethu sinobaba ukuthi uNkulunkulu usibusisile ngabo. Ngiyabonga.
Good afternoon. Nguphiwa kuhlwa kaMnyandu Dlamini. Thank you so much to my husband. I love this man so much, and I hope we're gonna continue to love each other. I will not tell our love story because we've done that before already, but it's been a pleasant 3 days, and I'd like to thank his family for supporting us, as well as my family. We are now at the end of everything, and we couldn't be happier about what took place. So thank you to you and to everyone that came to our wedding. So as at Friday, I've had 4 dresses for our wedding. I had a dress for Friday in Guavuma that was made by Icon Square. They are based in Durban, Easternwood. Yesterday morning as well at the Matrimonial, I also wore a dress by Icon Square. The makeup was done by a lovely lady by the name of Zama. She's based here in Dundee. My hair was done by another lady as well, Jobelise. And then my 3rd dress for the reception was made by Tenjiwe, House of Lamar. They are based in Gauteng, Pretoria. This dress as well, this lovely gown, was also made by the House of Lamar. So yeah, and Tenjiwe is also the designer, together with the hat, House of Lamar as well.
Sanbonani, Kama Utamsanga Dlamini. In the past 3 days, I have had the pleasure of embarking on a journey of making this beautiful woman next to me my wife. It's been a blissful 3 days, and we are very happy. It's probably the best 3 days of our lives that we've had, and we'd like to thank everyone. So the suit I wore yesterday at the matrimonial ceremony as well as the reception, it was a tux with black pants and cream blazer. It was supplied by the Suit Shop in Newcastle. They also have a branch based in Pietermaritzburg.